In today's rental market, communication is no longer optional. It's the standard tenants expect. They want clarity, speed, and easy two-way conversations that fit their lifestyle. Clear and responsive communication builds trust. Happy tenants are more likely to renew leases, care for the property, and feel like valued members of a community. Email alone just doesn't cut it anymore. Modern property managers use portals, reminders, texts, and push notifications to reach tenants where they are. Tenant portals make it easy to pay rent, request maintenance, and track updates in real time. Automation keeps everything running smoothly. Proactive communication, like reminders about inspections, maintenance, or rent updates, reduces stress, builds trust, and keeps everyone on the same page. But tools alone aren't enough. Real connection comes from empathy and active listening. The human touch is what truly builds long-lasting relationships. From listings to lease agreements, communication is the backbone of every interaction. A clear, consistent strategy drives professionalism and long-term success. At All American Realty, communication is at the heart of everything we do. With modern tools and genuine care, we make sure every tenant feels heard and every owner feels confident. Let's make communication your strongest asset.